Two top video editing tools, each with a devoted fan base. But which one is the true game changer for creators in 2025? On the left, DaVinci Resolve, Hollywood-grade power for pro editors. And on the right, Descript, edit videos as easily as text. Let's skip the buzzwords and find out what actually matters side by side. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're stacking these two editors across 6 super important categories. That's price, AI features, editing and color, ease of use, stock media and recording, and yeah, who they're really best for. Ready? Let's break it down. Okay, first up, price. DaVinci Resolve, honestly, kind of wild, gives you a super generous free version with most editing features ready to roll. And if you want to swing for the pro stuff, the studio upgrade is a one-time thing, like $300, rather than those sneaky monthly subscriptions. Downside, if you're chasing the freshest pro features, you gotta cough up for studio. Now with Descript, it's all about flexibility. You pay month to month, which some people love. But the free plan, honestly, it feels pretty limited. If you stick around long term, those monthly $12 to $40 fees do start to add up. Winner for price? DaVinci Resolve takes it for sure. Next, AI features. This is where things get fun. DaVinci Resolve does bring the magic with stuff like the Neural Engine, which, if you snag Studio, actually lets you edit by transcript, clean up audio, even mess with music timing. So cool. But truthfully, all that magic is paywalled behind the Studio Edition, and it's still less automated than, Descript. Speaking of, Descript is like the AI playground. You've got Studio Sound to instantly clean up audio, green screen effects, removing all those filler words automatically. I could use that. And get this, eye contact correction. You can literally cut your video by editing text. Very mind-blowing. If you want easy AI tools front and center, Descript wins this round. Editing in color, let's go. DaVinci Resolve? Whew, the color tools are legendary. Like, we're talking big movie studios. Advanced timeline, pro audio, crazy VFX, all there. Heads up though, you do gotta spend some time figuring it all out. The learning curve is real. Then we've got Descript, which is kind of the opposite vibe. You just edit your video like you're messing with a Word doc. It is so fast, especially for stuff that's mostly conversation, interviews, podcasts. But for real deal color grading or complex visuals, not happening. Winner, DaVinci Resolve absolutely crushes it here.
Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know.
DaVinci Resolve's color magic, it's used for actual Hollywood blockbusters. Yep, those stunning visuals, that's it. Meanwhile, Descript lets people edit an entire podcast in literal minutes just by chopping up the transcript. Pretty epic if you ask me. Let's talk ease of use. DaVinci Resolve, I'll be honest, it's a beast. It can do everything once you master it, but getting there is not exactly a walk in the park. You pretty much need tutorials, patience, probably some coffee. Descript, though, it's wild how simple things get. You edit videos like just by editing text. Super friendly for podcasts, social vids, webinars, you name it. If you need to do fancy edits, yeah, it can take some manual effort, but for quick stuff, it's ridiculously smooth. So Descript definitely takes this one. Now, stock media and recording. DaVinci Resolve is more of a toolbox. Use your own stuff, pull in external media, but there's no built-in stock library, and you can't record inside the app. It's flexible for pros, but not exactly plug and play. Descript totally flips that. You get integrated camera, screen, audio recording, and a basic built-in library of stock media. If you just want to whip out a video fast, super handy. For advanced media, it's a bit limited, but overall, Descript is the winner for convenience. That brings us to, who are these best for? DaVinci Resolve, straight up, pro editors, commercial filmmakers, anyone trying to make something cinematic. It's not built for podcasts or speech-driven stuff. Really. Descript is made for podcasters, educators, marketers, like the folks cranking out social videos and webinars. If you need big creative freedom, that's not what Descript is about. But honestly, in this category, it's both, depending on your vibe. So calling it a tie. All right, quick look at the overall scores. Resolve pretty much dominates for pro features and price. Descript cleans up with AI and beginner friendliness. If you're visual, that radar chart's gonna paint the story. Look, I gotta say, if you dream in cinematic edits, color, big productions, DaVinci Resolve is totally unbeatable. If you want speed, text-driven magic, and are making lots of content for socials or podcasts, Descript is the obvious pick. They both rule, but for most high-end creative work in 2025, DaVinci's the king. For fast editing, Descript wins hands down. Yo, if you dig this kind of deep dive, make sure you hit subscribe so you catch more comparisons like this. And really, think about your workflow before you choose. That's what matters most.